Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am doing an unboxing of some Disney ears that I got from Etsy. So this is the package that they arrived in. Has some tissue paper. I will put a link below to the shop where I found these, and they have a really great Instagram too. Oh, cute. There's a little confetti in there. So these are the ears I got. The Instagram is called Main Street Couture. It's there at the bottom. So thank you for your order. Have a magical day. And their Etsy shop is Mackie and Natty. Right there at the bottom. This is probably backwards though, so I'll put the link below. So it does come with this super cute confetti. And these are the ears. I loved the balloons. I love these little pearls on the clouds, little rainbow, the bow. I just feel like they were so cute. And they do have these little protectors on the bottom. So hopefully they will be comfortable too. It's definitely a thin band. Just thin metal band. I love the Lily headbands, and they have this style in this shop. I feel like I'm loving the look of the headband, and I feel like they're decently comfortable. I mean, they're definitely more comfortable than, say, the ones you get at Disneyland or Disney World. But I don't know if I would say the headband is like super comfortable. I'd say it's like okay. But super cute. Like, I don't know if I would wear this all day. I might like just wear it when I want to for photos or part of the day until it starts annoying me. So decently comfortable, but I wouldn't say super comfortable. But this is like plenty lightweight. It's not too heavy. Yeah, I mean, I think it's really cute. I think it's really cute, and I would say it's like decently comfortable, but not like super comfortable. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever bought anything from the shop and what you think. I also ordered like a pastel, because this is like pastel themed. I ordered a cute pastel themed shirt from another Etsy shop that I'm going to wear with this when I go to Disney World next.